Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and do a ponytail with the weave hair that I used in the previous video where I showed you guys that I got a weave. I'm gonna go ahead and start by brushing out my hair and brushing it up into the ponytail. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned here. I'm adding in leave-in conditioner first. This is the pomegranate leave-in conditioner by Mael Organics. So I'm just brushing it to get it nice and smooth. I'm gonna step off camera to get my ponytail nice and centered. I don't know if my equilibrium is still off from my pregnancy or what, but I never can seem to get it as straight as and as centered as it's supposed to be. Anyways, going in with the Eco Styler gel now on my edges as well as my nape. My nape, you guys, has been the bane of my existence. I'm so sick of it, but I know what's happening. It's just staying broken because I haven't been allowing my hair to stay in its natural state very long. I've been doing a lot of different hairstyles, causing a lot of tension, so there's lots of breakage back there. That hair is very, very sensitive. So I know what I need to do. It's hard to do it while I'm in this stage of my hair. It's at this odd length and I just am not that comfortable wearing it straight out all the time. So that's what's causing it. Eventually it's gonna grow in, but this is it for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and start brushing my hair back to get it nice and smooth as I can. When my sister did my hair, she actually used the Got2b spray glue to keep it nice and straight. So I'm gonna try that here. But spoiler alert, I do it incorrectly. You're supposed to use the blow dryer. So I didn't. It does get nice and smooth, but it doesn't stay that way because I did not use the blow dryer to keep it in place. So this is gonna get really crunchy again in just a few. So what I'm doing now is just adding in another hair tie to just kind of grip whatever remnants is left over and still kind of get it nice and tight and smooth before I start wrapping around the weave. Now it's time to start the weaving process. What I'm going to do is use a flat hairpin, so the one that does not have the little knob on the end to put in the first connecting piece of the hair, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to use that first to get it to go right underneath my hair, to go right underneath my ponytail. All right, so once I get that in there, I'm just gonna wrap and pin, wrap and pin, wrap and pin. Trying not to use too many pins, so I'm not like adding it on every side of my hair. Probably 2 pins, and these are very small pins. I think I might be able to show you guys. It's like half the length of a pin that you would normally use because my ponytail is so little because my hair is so short. So I need it to be able to not be seen once I stick the pins in. So I just wrap and pin until I have all of the hair pinned in place. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the wrapping and the pinning. And as you can see, I did comb out some of my edges here. So I'm going to take care of that and I'll be right back. All right, so the edges are done. And at this point, I'm just kind of playing around with it, making sure that everything is pretty stuck in place. And a little bit here, I do notice that it looks like my bun might peek through. So what I do is I pin some of the inner layers of the weave to my little bun, so that way nothing will peek through. So I just take a pin and I pin some of those hairs to the little bun so that at any turn you will not see my little mini bun underneath. Okay, and that is pretty much it, aside from my crunchy nape, which I'm just so unhappy with, but it just is what it is right now. I do think this turned out really well. I am going to do this again, but I'm going to use the blow dryer method with the got-to-be glue, and I'm just really happy with how it looks. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.